Yeah, apparently a truck died out here and closed the complete road. I guess that's what they're towing out now. The way they get off at this exit. Of course, they got a lane closed here. Why? It's not even this side. You could have driven down the wrong way here. I think they cause more of an issue when they try and help an issue than they actually do helping the issue.
Yep.
They got to tow all these cars, a bunch of cars here that were abandoned last night. These people were stuck here since 7 o'clock last night. Some people, you know, they made it through until the morning, I guess, you know. But some people, they left their cars. Some people were taking, they needed medication or something, so they had to leave. So we have ambulances here that were apparently to help with the...
How do you know if it's recording volume?
Well, the little bars are moving down there.
There's nothing.
Let me see. Hello! So how come it's not recording?
It is. It's on record, but there's no...
No, it's just, I can always narrate this.
No.
Transport bus here. My side.
Car's stuck over there. Oh no, not stuck. Just over there. Here goes the cop. He's moving.
So we won't be able to get on here.
Yep. Just in case it actually is recording sound. Oh, this would have been a perfect shot of those cars stuck there, but bus decided to move way up this way.
Oh, see, we get on right up there, so we can't take this.
Yeah, and then there's a cop car in front of us blocking the exit.